All right, hey, how y'all doing? It's Texas Style Cuisine, and this may not look much like Texas right now. We are up and we're trying to get out of the panhandle because there was a snowstorm up there. And we're down south heading through some big ranch country here in a second. But we had something great happen this weekend. I tell you what, neat things happen when my buddy Jeff Gore's with me. He was there for our 3rd anniversary, did a little video together. And this weekend, I went over 15,000 subscribers.
Woohoo!
So let me tell you what, we are excited about that. And one thing I want to bring up here right at the beginning is check out Jeff's YouTube channel. Find him on Facebook, find him on Instagram. He's Jeff Gore, Cowboy and Christian Music, or Gospel Music.
Yeah, Cowboy and Gospel Music.
Cowboy and Gospel Music on YouTube. And then on Facebook, Jeff Gore.
Just Jeff Gore.
Instagram,
Jeff D. Gore, I think.
I think Jeff D. Gore. But find him, follow him on those. He's got some beautiful cowboy music, some fantastic gospel music. But we're saying thank you from Texas in the cold winter with some snow going behind us. And you can tell oh, lost my hat.
Have to edit that.
We're going to have to edit that out. I tell you what, though, you can tell it's pretty chilly and the wind is blowing pretty dadgum good. We're trying to keep our hats on and everything else standing out here. But we are going to be doing a giveaway. We're going to be giving some things away. So what I'll do is let y'all put some comments down below of, hey, what do you want them to say for the giveaway?
We love Texas Style Cuisine.
That'll work. And subscribe my buddy Jeff Gore. So put on there, we love Texas Style Cuisine and we subscribe Jeff Gore. If you put that on there, you're in for the drawing. We have got Bison Union gave us some Ranch Hand Blend coffee. We're going to be giving that away. I've got some barbecue sauces, some rubs. I got a cookbook I'm going to be giving away. So we're going to be having all those things for y'all. Thanking y'all for the 15,000 subscribers that we've got on Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. It's cold. We're getting back in the trucks and we're going to head south and try to get out of this mess that we got here. But I tell you what, we're going to stop down in Guthrie at the home of the 4 Sixes Ranch. We may do a little video there too and let y'all see some of that country. But again, thanks a lot. We appreciate it. We're going to get in the truck and we're going to head back to South Texas where it's a little bit warmer. But once again, thanks a lot and thanks for subscribing Jeff's channel also. We'll see y'all. Take care. As you can see, we made it back from the Panhandle and we got down here safely. It was a wonderful trip. And I guess also you notice we did not stop at the 4 Sixes Ranch in Guthrie. By the time we got to Guthrie, it was a little sleet coming down and there were snow flurries. So we didn't want to stop and film there. We did stop for a minute, but we came on down south after that. Jeff and Donna made it home good. We got home safely, and it was once again a wonderful trip that we had. Got to visit with a college friend of ours up there, and that was wonderful. And the friends we've made at that rodeo, it's always a good time for us. We're always loving going up to Amarillo and spending some time in the Panhandle. And while we were there, we got to see Bison Union. And Bert and Buster, they loaded us up with some coffee. So you can see I've got quite a few coffees to give away. I have some of these 4-ounce packs. I've got some of the 12-ounce packages. And we have some ground. I think I've got some whole beans. So if you don't have a grinder, put it in your blender. You can blend it up just fine and make some for you. I have got some Walt Garrison products. Going to give those away. And I really always was a fan of Walt Garrison. He was a football player for the Dallas Cowboys. Now he's got some rubs and he's got some sauces. So we've got 2 of his sauces, one of his au jus, what he calls a dipping sauce. We're going to give those away. And then a couple of Italian cookbooks. Now I know we primarily do barbecue, but I enjoy Italian very, very much. I love pasta. And one of these have already been won by Kent Vanderweerd at Daddy Dutch Barbecue and Cooking. We have a little... it's a Facebook chat group that we're kind of a private group, and we had a contest to see who could guess the closest of when I would hit 15,000 subscribers. Kent guessed it within a couple hours, so Kent's getting one of them. I'm gonna send the other one out to someone else. They are autographed by Fabio Viviani. When he was here in San Antonio, I got a meeting, got some signatures on some books. I'm also gonna sign it and let you know, hey, it's from Chef Johnny for the 15,000 giveaway for my 15,000 subscribers. So all that's good. I thank y'all for joining in. We've already told you what to put in there. We ask you to put I love Texas Style Cuisine and I subscribe Jeff Gore. And remember, don't just subscribe, and go there and listen to his music. Listen to what he's got on there. He's got some great cowboy tunes, original stuff that he's written. The Swenson Wagon, his song that he wrote and performs, is what's at the end of all my videos. Right now, his song We Satch a Mesquite is my intro. My older videos were my son John, but right now I've got Jeff's on there until John comes up with a new intro for me. But anyways, we've got that going on. Listen to Jeff, subscribe his channel, and share him around. He wants to grow that. He's got a lot of people on Facebook. He's got a lot of people on Instagram. We're trying to grow his YouTube, and y'all get there. And it's great to listen to the music that Jeff's done. Him and I have been friends for 38 years, I guess, since 1980. Somebody add that up real quick. Anyways, long time. Love him and his wife Donna dearly. It's been a great trip. It's been wonderful at 15,000 subscribers. I thank each and every one of you. You know, of course, we couldn't make this happen if there weren't people watching our videos. So not only subscribe, watch. We appreciate everybody that watches, and the people that use our affiliates. Y'all are fantastic. We always do appreciate that. Help support this channel. I enjoy making the videos. I hope y'all enjoy watching them. And remember, get in on the drawing. Tell your friends and family about it. Share us up so we can get some people away, and we can give away this fantastic coffee, these barbecue products, and our cookbook. So get on there. You know what to put. We're going to see y'all down the road on Texas style barbecue and cuisine.